Hey y'all, so I done recorded this 2 times. This is my second time, but this is not a tutorial, but I am showing how I section off my hair. We have Lexis, my cousin, y'all. Say hey. She came to get some braids. I wanted to try the little boho braids that I seen on Facebook. They've been so cute. Well, I've been seeing them everywhere. So cute. Keep in mind, I'm not a braider, and anything they said in these comments, look at that. Anything that said in these comments, I will not stand for the slander, for the braid slander.
Been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. She came in here with some silver hair. Lexis, she dyed her hair like crazy. I don't even know how she still has any hair, but if y'all look closely, that hair is silver, gray, green, blue, orange, 27 and 30. She got so many colors, but it is still kind of so cute. Okay, so right here I'm just braiding.
Like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shut over my cause I New York the shelf. Now my bitches did Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna call you and get a little maybe. In the meantime, get some me time. I don't know. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, I can stop doing what I want. Get some me time. You doing what you want. In the meantime, I can stop doing what I want. Get some me time. You doing what you want. Maybe I'll love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth. That's for entertainment. That's more where that came from, that's all I'm saying. It's me and you, we making arrangements. It's you and me and we making arrangements.
Is it hot in here or is it just me? I'm so high in here from smoking on this weed. Told him go and take a shot on 3. Told him drinks is on me. Yeah, the drinks are on me. He said now go and take a shot on me. Only drug the bitches on is a tree. But I last 10 rounds like a free.
Okay, so another way to move a little faster, y'all, And I can't even say too much faster, but it'll help. I don't know if y'all just saw how I had that hair on that comb. I already sectioned out the hair, but just seeing it on that comb really does help, because my back bad, y'all. I can't be reaching back and forth. Although y'all gonna see me reach back and forth several times. This is not about that. I'm trying to give y'all the tips. Okay, and then two, if you can, tuck that little hair, put some product on there. Don't braid no dry hair.
Life move fast and you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What we want.
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going where I want.
need some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over mom, my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going where I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like
Right
months.
here, I'm just parting,
Fast and you doing what you want.
and then just twisting. Y'all, I think I'm finna do retweets. What y'all think? I think I'm finna do retweets, because look at how, man, come on now.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
Maybe I'll love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth. Only say like me, yeah. Or if you call and you talk to a girl, I'll share my world with you. You gon' waste your time, waste your time. I mean honestly, open your eyes and see. You giving you what you need. Waste your time. You can have all the space, all that you need. It's no pressure if you got time to waste it, baby. And I ain't worried about them. Girl, you all that I see. And I am who I am. And I be where I be. If you ever hit me on the late night, I'll give you a clear mind. Might give you some insight. I'll share my world with you. Waste your time. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see. Waste your time. Waste your time. You can have all the space, all that you need. It's no pressure if you got time to waste it, baby. Close your eyes, get away. Make my mind, I'm afraid of it. Beautiful, girl, you stainless. You'll be fine, I'll be painless, yeah. All I'm drinking is champagne. All you want is the same thing.
Normally I'm quick to switch up my playlist. Alright, unpack my bag and I'll say shit. I got what it takes to save this. I got all the plays and I played it out. wanted to see this. Promise to make it up. I'm trading off for but it just hurts so much when it ain't working out. 'Cause I don't want nobody else but you. And I used to be on my relationship. But I think you gotta tell. If you don't, you can come over here. Normally I'm quick to switch up my playlist. I'm pack my bag and I'll say shit. I got what it takes to say this. I got all the plays and I played it all like this. I wanted to see this. Promise to make it up. I'm trading off for but it just hurts so much when it ain't working out. 'Cause I don't want nobody else but you. And I used to be on my relationship. But it just ain't like that. can love you.
Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, I can stop doing what I want. Need some me time. Keep doing what you want. In the meantime, I can stop doing what I want. Need some me time. Keep doing what you want. Maybe I'll love myself.